Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. Today, I want to do a personal review on this brand called Manuka Doctor. I think you would have heard me talk about a few of their products in my previous videos. And I think it is one of the brands where I have purchased a lot of their products and have used a lot of their products. And I still like quite a few of their products. Just to let my audience know today that the video I'm doing today hasn't been sponsored by Manuka Doctor. The moisturizing products are the ones that really stand out for me. I'll start with the mask, the restorative hair mask. And this is not a big deal. The usual price is $30. So for $30, this is not a lot. For me, I probably get 4 uses out of this, but I tend to buy them on special. The best way for me to buy Manuka Doctor products is to sign up on their website, and they'll send you promotional materials to say when they have a promotion on or specials on, and that's when you can buy their products. So this one is just puts a beautiful gloss and moisture onto your hair, and your hair just felt so different and even brings out the color in your hair. The other product that I really like, and I've talked about it, is the restorative night cream. This one I mix it with my sunblock, and just to give my sunblock a bit of moisturizer, and I mix it with my sunblock and I wipe it all, put it all over my face. The other products is what they call their drops of crystals, or their cashmere cream range. It comes in a serum and a moisturizer. The drops of crystal actually comes from the resin of the, see how I pronounce it, the Pistachia lentiscus tree. And I'm just going to show you the cream right now. What I like is the texture of this cream. So this is the cream. I'm just going to put my finger here. It's super soft. A lot of cream can be very thick, gluey, or even waxy when you apply it onto your face, but this one, it literally melts into your face like butter, and it just glides on easily on your face after you put on your serum. So crystal serum, and this is what it looks like inside the box. And I'm just going to pump a little bit for you. So what I like, the other thing is the airless pump. So, you know, no air and no dirty fingers dip into the jar, you know, just they come in an airless pump. And so is all the other products. I'm just going to show you this one here. I got distracted just now. Can you see? Beautiful serum. I love applying this onto my neck. You know, our neck can get really dry, and as we age, the skin around our neck can be really thin and makes us, you know, look really older than our age. So can you see it just melts into your hands so easily. And lastly is the lip enhancer. I just love this product. You just squeeze a little bit of it and apply onto your lips before you go out, and then you put your lipstick on top, and it just plumps up your lips and gives you that sort of pouty, sexy, you know, lips look. So that's all I've got for you today, my review on the Manuka Doctor brand. Like I said, these products here that I've talked about today, I will continue to use them. So thank you so much for watching today. I hope you gained some information about this brand called Manuka Doctor. And if you have any questions, please drop them down below in the comment section. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.